Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to clear cache in Windows 11. To do so, first you need to go to the search in your taskbar, search disk cleanup, click on disk cleanup and press OK by selecting whichever drive you want to clean. Click on OK and make sure that each and every box is selected. Click on Cleanup System Files. Again, press OK. Wait for a while it is running. Again, make sure that every box is selected and again press on OK. Click on Delete Files. It will clean up the unnecessary files which are stacked up in your drive, and it will help you free up the space also. So we have to wait for a while it is deleting the unwanted files, and after it is done. So I hope this has helped you. If you find this video helpful, then please like and share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Thank you.